Ready to turn website visitors into loyal subscribers? Let's build a high-converting landing page on Wix in just a few steps. First, head over to Wix and click on Create New Site. Choose the purpose of your website and select Landing Page to get relevant templates. Explore the range of professionally designed templates. Pick one that aligns with your brand and the offer you're promoting. Remember, first impressions matter. Now, customize the template. Replace the placeholder text with compelling headlines and benefit-driven descriptions. Use high-quality images or videos that showcase your offer's value. Next, integrate a Signup form. Drag and drop the Wix Forms element onto your page. Customize the form fields to capture essential information, like name and email. Optimize your call to action button. Make it prominent and use action-oriented language like sign up now or get started today. Adjust the color and size to make it stand out. Don't forget mobile optimization. Switch to the mobile editor and ensure your landing page looks great on all devices. Adjust the layout and font sizes for a seamless user experience. Finally, preview your landing page, then hit publish. Connect a custom domain for a professional look and start driving traffic to your Signup page, and that's how you generate leads and subscribers with a stunning Wix landing page.